Meaning of farmyard.
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 Farmyard. Farmyard refers to the area of a farm where the domesticated animals are kept. This area typically includes animal pens, feeding and watering stations, and other necessary facilities. The farmyard is an essential part of any agricultural operation, as it provides a safe and clean space for the animals to live in. In addition to providing shelter and food, the farmyard also serves as a place for farmers to tend to their animals, perform necessary health checks, and gather resources such as milk or eggs. Overall, the farmyard is a vital component of any successful farm.